name is Chaitanya Marathi and my roll number is 36 and my topic is Heaviside unit step function. We shall learn the in Heaviside unit function. There are 5 cases. The first is the f of t into h of t. Second is f of t into h of t minus a. And third is the f of t minus a into h of t. Fourth is f of t minus a into h of t minus b. And fifth is the f of t where the t equal to a and t equal to b. Then first case is f of t into h of t. If we take the h of t for 0, then equation becomes t is less than 0, and if h of t is unity, that is 1, then equation is that t is greater than or equal to 0. T is greater than or equal to 0. It is easy to say that the f of t into h of t for t equal to 0, that is t is greater than t is less than 0, and f of t h of t is remain same for remain same, that is the f of t. Then equation becomes the product of f of t into h of t for h of t for 0, the equation becomes t is less than 0. And for unity, t is greater than or equal to 0. Then the product of f of t into h of t the h of t remains constant, that is f of t, and t greater than or equal to 0. Supposed to be f of t equal to t square, then the parabola of the then supposed to be f of t equal to t square, then f of t into h of t, both the curves of the parabola is same, then t square equal to f of t. Here we can see that these dotted part shows the cutoff of the f of t into h of t. Then case second is f of t into h of t minus a. Since h of t minus a is 0 for t less than a and h of t minus 0 is unity, that is 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. It is easy to say that the product of f of t into h of t minus a will be 0 for f of t, and f of t into h of t minus a will be 0, and f of t into h of t minus a will remain same for the t greater than or equal to a. That is equation become f of t, the product of f of t into h of t minus a is equal to 0 for t less than a, and f of t into h of t minus a, that is f of t is t less than or equal to a. Here a equal to 2. Supposed to be the parabola, we take the f of t equal to t square, then parabola of the branch is cut off to the left side of the curve. Therefore f of t into h of t minus 2, then f of t equal to 2. Then third case is f of t minus a into h of t. We already know about the curve, that is y equal to f of x minus a, and curve y equal to f of x. The only difference is that it is shifted towards the a. The curve will remain unchanged. For combining with the case first, it is easy to see that the f of t minus a into h of t will represent the part of the f of t minus a of the curve to the right of the origin. Here we can see that the dotted part of this parabola shows the cutoff of the f of t minus a into h of t. Then fourth case is f of t minus a into h of t minus b. See minus x is a curve of the f of t with the origin of shifted to the a, and the h of t minus b is a 0 before the t equal to b, and unity after that is a 1, unity after t equal to b. It is easy to see that the f of t minus a into the h of t minus b will give the part of the curve, shifted curve, that is the f of t minus a to the right of the t equal to b. T equal to b of the curve, the t equal to b of the curve. Here the cutting portion shows that is the dotted part, and before the cutting of the part, therefore it gives the equation that is t equal to b. Then Heaviside unit step function has the last case, that is the f of t from t equal to a or t equal to b. In the case first we see that the h of t minus a is a unit function to the right of the t equal to a, and h of t minus b is a unit step function to the right of the t equal to b. Hence h of t minus a is the part of the unit function between the t equal to a, and the t equal to b of the f of t from t equal to a and t equal to b. Hence f of t into h of t minus a, h of t minus b is the part of the unit will be the 0 before t equal to a. With the f of t between the t equal to a and t equal to b, it is the rarer that the after t equal to b. Since the path of the function of the f of t is cut off before the t equal to b, only the remaining part between the t equal to a and t equal to b, thus the function of f of t, thus the function becomes the f of t into h of t minus a, h of t minus a minus of h of t minus b, h of t minus b, and here also the dotted part shows the parabola of the cutting side. Thank you.
So basically the Heaviside function is also known as a unit step function, and it is a discontinuous type of function. The Heaviside function is denoted by h or theta. So we will proceed for the Laplace transform of Heaviside function. So the Laplace transform first we have a function of h of t. Then the Laplace transform of h of t equals to 1 upon s. So we have the next function is Laplace transform of h of t minus a is 1 upon s into e raised to minus a s. Then the next function is we have a next function f of t into h of t minus a. Then the Laplace transform of f of t h of t minus a is Laplace transform of f of t. Thank you.
Myself, Jayesh Majan, I am here to solve a question on the topic Heaviside unit step function. Let's see the example. So, example is given that the f of t is between 0 to 4 and 5 is start from 4 and more than 4. This is our first function and this is our second function. So, solving this question, there is a very first step is that we have to write down the question in a Heaviside property. So, Heaviside property is that. So, the second step is that we have to take Laplace of this. Laplace of first term, Laplace of second term. So we can easily take the Laplace of the L of t, but for solving this second function, there is a property. So we have to solve with help of property. So the Laplace of t is that 1 upon s square. For solving this, there is a property. For solving this, let us f of t minus 4 and the second 5 minus t. For taking the Laplace, we need f of t. So we have to adjust plus 4 here and there. Get here f of t and here 1 minus t. So we take the Laplace here. Laplace of 1 is that 1 upon s and the Laplace of t is 1 upon s square. So we get here f of s. Put f of s in a formula. We put f of s in this formula. So we get our last answer. Second example, example is that f of t is equal to 1 which start from 0 to 1, t which start from 1 and less than 2, and the third is t square that is start from 2. So as we know, the first step is that we have to write f of t in a Heaviside property. So Heaviside property is that minus 2. So the next step is that we have to take in Laplace of the f of t. So we take the Laplace of 1 as easily, but we have to use formula for this two function. So the Laplace of first is 1 upon s. For taking the Laplace of this, there is a property. For first, the consideration for this, there is a g of t minus 2 and t square minus t minus 1. So for getting f of t, we have to adjust plus 1 here and here plus 2. We get the f of t is equal to t, and here we have to adjust plus 2. T square plus 3t plus 2. We will take the Laplace of both term. So we get here f bar of s, and here we take the Laplace. We get the g bar of s. So we put the values in the property. So we put these both in our first equation. Here is the final answer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sachin Rodaha from R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur. So our today's topic for explanation is evolution of integer. So evolution of integral. First we take the integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus at f of t into Heaviside of t minus a dt. Now we take the example of this evolution of integral. Here is the example. Here is the example. The integration of 0 to infinity e minus t here is the example. 1 plus 2t 3 minus 3t square plus 4t cube dt. So we first we know that the f of t is minus 3t square plus 4t cube. We know that the f of t is it. So here a is equal to 2. So first we found the f of t plus 2, that is 1 plus. We have put the value of t in the given equation. T plus 2 is the given equation. Like we get after putting the value, we will get the after putting the value we will get the final, that is 4t cube plus 21t square plus 38t plus 25. Now we take the Laplace of this equation, Laplace of f of t. Here we take the Laplace of separate, that is 4t. Laplace transform. Now we take the Laplace transformation of f of t plus 2, that is 4t cube plus 21t square plus 38t plus 25. So we get taking the Laplace transformation, we get now we take the Laplace transformation of f of t into ht minus 2, that we get a raised to 2s